Morning, over in Warrington this morning, do some more sofa cleaning. Yet again, weather wonderful for the cleaning today. We'll just show you what we've got these couches to do. They're in desperate need of a good clean. You can see all dark, all these areas here. The customers tried to have a go themselves. You can see there. It's pretty bad. This one we've actually just pretty much done, and this one's looking wonderful now. You can see it's brighter than cushions are compared to them ones. But yeah, we'll get back to you shortly. Put some solution in them now. We're going to leave them for about half an hour, and then we're going to rinse them off. We'll report back when we've done that. Okay, these are looking a lot better now. Get in there now. This one has come up nice. Bit of pile shading. This isn't dirt. If you go on different angles, you can see it's just where it's worn in areas, and it's still slightly damp as well. So once it dries, it'll dry lovely and bright. Overall, I'm delighted with these now, how they're coming up.